People, give me some idea of people. Military. Yeah. Maybe other figures from law enforcement. Other people from the political establishment. Nick said in 1975 when he was a child, and continued until he was a teenager. He remembers the abusers would send their employees to bring him to hotels and private apartments. He was rolled in a blanket, done openly. He had no fear at all of being caught. It didn't even cross their mind. They could do anything they wanted without question. If children, young teenagers, even younger, walked into hotels and apartment buildings and nobody batting an eye. No. Behind closed doors, he was present at one sessions. He believes 20 children in the group. I've never experienced pain like it. I hope I never do again. Some of it was deliberate because they set rules that were just impossible. So you couldn't help but break the rules on occasions, and you were punished for that, which some of them enjoyed. His account is now at the centre of a major police investigation, Operation Midland. But Scotland Yard also said today that it had recently received evidence that suggested there might have been murders or killings. This has become a highly sensitive investigation, and it's only just begun. You would like new witnesses to come forward. People who drove us around could come forward. Staff in some of the locations could come forward. Anybody who knew anything. They need to find the strength that we as survivors have done. It's something that stays with you forever. It's destroyed my ability to trust, because the memories never go. They're with you constantly.
Really shocking allegations and presumably a very difficult, sensitive investigation.
Is that for me?
Yes, Sophie, Nick has been, he said, abused in ways that he simply can't broadcast this programme. And he's a man now, as you can see. He was a child just then. And we can't produce it corroborate what he says, and for the police it will be a difficult investigation. We're talking about extracting memories from people from 30 years ago. And these are people who potentially have been abused and will have to make that decision to come forward, as Nick has done, to make their testimony, talk about what happened to them in the past. Now that does involve two things. It involves counselling, Nick is having a counselling, and trust. He's got to be able to trust that his story is going to be taken seriously. I think he feels that this current investigation is taking it seriously. He's given 3 days of evidence.